Hi, we're going to be doing NMES on Garrett's quadriceps using a pulse current, and the goal of this is to gain strength. So some indications for this treatment would be after some knee surgeries like an ACL reconstruction or a TKA. It's also been used in traumatic brain injuries or stroke issues too, to just regain that strength in certain muscles. And so as far as patient positioning, we're going to have them supine. One thing we want is their knee to be flexed just so that quadricep isn't in its most shortened positions and it's a bit lengthened so the muscle can really contract. And then we want to use cuff weights, or we can also strap him down, but we also have a resistance band just to help him keep his foot on the table. And this is in order to create an isometric contraction within that muscle belly, and this will lead to the best strength increased results. And then electrode placement, we're going to have a smaller electrode on the fleshiest part of his vastus medialis here, just medial to the knee. And then we're going to have a bigger one that's actually a rectangle that goes in his femoral triangle and also at the origin of his quadricep muscles. And we want it to go over the femoral nerve just so it hits every muscle belly within the quadriceps. And then for safety, we're just going to make sure that everything's clean and that the machine is working as it should. We also want to check the patient and make sure that they don't have any contraindications or precautions, and we want to check their skin and just make sure that they feel comfortable with it. And we're going to tell them that it's going to be kind of a weird sensation because I'm sure they're not used to that, but it's just going to be a grabbing, kind of pulling in their thigh region. And we're going to have them do this for 10 minutes. So it's going to be a 10-second contraction followed by a 50-second relaxation period. And this is so the muscle doesn't fatigue. And we're going to try and do this 4 times a week for a few weeks just so they can regain their strength.